you ever wonder if we're searching for something we didn't know we had lost? It's found in the distant mountains, forgotten valleys, long lonely highways, dusty gravel roads. It's found on the sound of the breeze through your helmet, inside the apex of a perfect corner. Somewhere away from fancy houses, safe cubicles, mortgages, marriages. Are these progress? Are we happy? It's found when we realize we've turned our backs on tens of thousands of years of human history, with society changing faster than we can adapt. Programmed to explore, to hunt, to run, to get lost, to be the opposite of safe. Progress, while it moves us forward, can also be a trap. A hit of adrenaline from triple digits on a lonely gravel road, the quiet solitude of sitting beside a remote mountain lake. All feelings or states we are trying desperately to reconnect with. Solitude, quiet, adrenaline, danger, fear, but mostly open spaces. A winding road on a distant horizon, leaving the noise of society far behind. Maybe you can only understand comfort if you spend time being uncomfortable, only feel loved if you have spent time being lonely, and only feel safe if you have been in danger. Sometimes you have to leave in order to come home. These open spaces, these mountains, valleys, rivers, lakes, deserts, they are more a part of our being than we can ever understand. You've felt it before, a perfect moment when time seemed to stop, when you felt something you couldn't explain. The wild frontier may keep retreating, but we will always be drawn to it. These open spaces, these untamed wilds, they have never belonged to us. It is actually we who belong to them.